What's going on, guys? This is Tanctics here. I hope you guys are doing awesome. I'm opening up another Ghost from the Past, the second haunting, but instead of one pack of 4, I'm going to open up 2 packs of 4, so that equals 8 right here. So let's get right into it. I really want to get that Blue Eyes White Dragon. And also, again, I have some really fun openings coming up very soon in a deck profile, hopefully. So stay tuned for that. And then if you have any idea of what else you want me to open, please just let me know. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first pack here. Let's see what we get here. Alright, so we got an agent card here. Next we got the Theater of the Branded card here. Majesty's Hyperion, Chimera, Forest Dragon, Fortress Dragon, and Vampire Domination. It's that pack. Let's get this one right here. Come on, Blue Eyes. Alright. We got this card here. Spirit card here. Majesty's Hyperion again. We got this cool Ghost Trick card here. And we got the Vampire Sucker. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we got Plunder. Patrol ship here. We got a Vampire Bram. Ooh, look at this. A DDD Vice King. We got Boss of the Doom here. That's so cool. And we got this card right here. So these names are just really weird for me. Alright, halfway through. 9 Pillars of Yang Zing. We got a Sandwich. So I got that one right. We got Sky Cavalry Centuria. Vampire Takeover. And a agent card, the Jupiter. Moving this over a little bit. Another agent card right here. A Vision Hero. Vision Hero again. Yang Zing Piranha. And another Ghost Trick card. Man, they were not kidding when they said it's hard to get one of those Blue Eyes cards. Or any of them. This is like, I don't know, our 12th pack opening? Rookie Warrior Lady. This card here. Oh. What is that? Dark Magician, the Dragon Knight. That's so cool. Contract with the Void. And then we got DD Lamia. Come on, let's do it. We got a Math Mech. We got, this is a cool looking, I really like this card. This is a really cool card. We got Chaos card here. Another DDD card. Ooh, look at that. That is cool. A fossil fusion. I thought it was polymerization for a second. I'm like, oh, cool. I've never seen one like that. That's not it. Alright, and the last pack of this video here. Alright, we got the Blaze Dragon here. The Poisoner. We got another boss card. got a Twin Raptor. What is this? I think we've already gotten this card here. And that's it. Alright, so no Blue Eyes just yet, or none of those special cards that come in this pack just yet. So, you know what's going to have to happen in the future is I'm going to have to buy more of these until we get something cool. But that is my video. Again, most of these cards here will be on sale. So please feel free to, you know, go on eBay and go get them. It will be in the description on where you can buy them. And if you have any ideas, again, if you have any ideas for what openings you'd like me to do, please let me know. And again, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you.